The last month of Gid's senior year started with a decision needing to be made. Where was he going to go to college? He's thought about it for a long time, and he decided Anderson would be the place that he would land.
Shout to the people that made me. I'm from the 80s. I don't think mumbling wavy. I grew up like on a Jay-Z. Maybe I'm crazy. I ain't been wondering lately. Feel like it's there for the taking. Feel like I'm good with the...
With that decision made, the boys and Courtney took off for a choir festival in Kitchener, Ontario, in Canada. With other Mennonite schools, they practiced, got dressed up and had a dance night, and then had a performance with all of the other schools. At home, the younger two and I enjoyed a weekend together, getting some Chinese food, Saturday morning soccer with my bros, my boys, spending up Dad's gift card on some good coffee and breakfast burritos, Then we did some more thrifting, as we did in Colorado, before heading to middle school tennis practice. And our final event of the weekend was the middle school play. Fresh back from the choir trip, the older two took to the golf course. While they maybe didn't have their best rounds of the year, we still were able to take down our conference rival, Elkhart Christian. The next night, it was middle school tennis who faced off against a rival. Haas and his partner Miles continued their winning ways, leading the Bruins to a victory. Abel also got a match on the night, also winning. On Thursday of that week, our busy sports night continued.
Nice.
Haas competed in track, while the big brothers were away competing in golf. Courtney was at one while I went to the other.
Good job, guys. Good job, Haas.
I was especially proud of Jose in this match for overcoming his fear and doing the 100 hurdles for the first time. When Saturday rolled around, it was time for conference tournaments. The boys started in golf at 8:15. In the tournament, Judah played his first round as school number 1.
Good job.
And Gideon shot his lowest 9 ever to finish 6th in the conference.
Nice par, Judah. Nice par.
And Hosea started in the middle school track at 10 o'clock.
Yeah, Haas! Way to go, bud!
He started out the day with 100 hurdles, finishing 6th. Threw the furthest for Bethany in the discus. Helped his teammates get out of the blocks in the relay.
Let's go, Haas! Let's go, Haas! Come on, Jose!
And finished 5th in the 200 hurdles.
Let's go.
Then it was prom night, Judah going as the entertainment and Gid going to his senior prom. And while they enjoyed prom, Ha's mom and I enjoyed GBCO. The next morning was Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. The next Monday we played Goshen.
Good job, Haz.
It was our closest tennis match of the season. Haz and Miles pulled out a 7-5 victory, and Abel and Henry came from 2-5 down to pull out a 7-5 victory.
Good job, Abel. Nice shot.
It has been an absolutely gorgeous spring. And in this gorgeous spring, the boys have started coming up with new games. Hosea came up with Buckball, game that's a cross between baseball and cricket and some others. Gideon and some of his classmates came up with Scrapball. Finally, we had the week of lots of concerts, beginning with the Beginning Orchestra. Following the Beginning Orchestra was the Middle School Band, starring Hosea. The next night, it was the high school choir's turn. And as a senior, Gideon had a few words said about him at the end.
Gideon has the distinction of being one of two people in his choir who have been in for all 4 of his high schools. And his voice is still changing, and he wants to know. And so I have given Gideon the sense of wonder award. And it celebrates his love of learning and his deep curiosity
And with that, we were about halfway through May, which seems like a good place to stop this video. God, thanks for golf. Thanks for new beginnings that are coming. Thanks for new challenges that we've undertaken. Thanks for the ways that we've done well. Continue to bless this month. Amen.